Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss count a function in Microsoft Excel. Same as count function, count a function is also the simple, easy but still very useful function of Excel. Count a function actually counts the non-empty cells. To understand how count a function works, let's discuss an example. Here we have a data table in which we have item codes, item name and sales values in US dollar. Let's say from this data table we want to count the cells from the item code that are non-empty, meaning we want to know that for how many items we have item code. So for this, as count a function, as we said, count a function counts the non-empty cells. So meaning to count from this list non-empty cells or cells with item code, we can use count a function. So here we can use count a function equal sign count a function open parenthesis. You can see in count a function we have series of parameters. There are two methods by which you can select these parameters. The first method is just press the control key and hold and select all cells one by one. The second method is you can simply select the range of cells. So I'm gonna use the second method. So I will just select the full range. I will close parenthesis, I will press enter and you can see the result is 17. So meaning in this list in 17 cells we have item code. This count a function has ignored these blank cells. We can discuss another example to see that either count a function counts all the non-empty cells or not. So for this, we can simply select these cells. These are non-empty. So I will just select equal sign count a function open parenthesis. So here I will select this full range from cell C4 till C23. You can see in this range we have numeric values and non-numeric values. As we said, count a function counts all the non-empty cells. So count a function should count all these cells because all these cells are non-empty. So I will just press enter and you can see the result is 20. So meaning these all cells, we have 20 non-blank cells, but here we have 3 empty cells. So the rest count a result is 17. So this is the simple example on how to use count a function in Excel. Friends, if you want to learn other Excel functions with help of such simple examples, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Microsoft Office Tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye-bye.